Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, Samsung has this very powerful photo enhancing app called Galaxy Enhance-X, and this app is very powerful. You can enhance your photo, you can enhance your documents, and also you can apply portrait effect on your photos, and also you can increase the resolution, etc. So there are a lot of feature in this app. So basically this is very powerful photo enhancing app by Samsung. So guys, Samsung is doing a huge update in this app in One UI 8.5, and Samsung has added a lot of new features and also completely redesigned the UI of this app. Okay, and the best part is you can install that APK on One UI 8 or One UI 7 also, I guess. So the latest APK has been leaked. Let me install the latest version of this and let me show you what's the difference. Alright guys, I have installed the leak APK of Galaxy Enhance-X on my S23 FE running One UI 8. Let me open it and let me show you the difference. So instantly you will see the difference in UI. So this UI is based on One UI 8.5. As you can see, this kind of menu is on all One UI 8.5 apps, gallery, phones, etc. And this was the previous, you can see it's the old one and this is the new one. Instantly you see the difference in home screen. Okay, here you will see a home and history. If you have edited photos previously, it will show you the history of the edited photos, and also home screen. Also here you will see a plugin. Currently the plugin is not working on One UI 8. I don't know why. I think we have to install it manually, the plugin. So here you will see a home screen. Also, if I tap on photo, now you can select multiple photos. Okay, you can edit multiple photos at same time, and upside you can see the video section as well. So you can select edit a photo or a video. Let me select at least 3 photos. Let me select some different photos. That's one. And if I click on photo tools, it will open it like this. So here you can see we can edit multiple photos at once, and also there might be many more features. This was previously over there. I think they have added few features. Okay, so I will not talk about features and etc. I'm not going into details. So I think this is the new feature, colorize. If I tap on it, previously I think this was not there. Okay, so guys, this is a brand new Galaxy Enhance-X app for One UI 8.5, but you can install this on your One UI 8 also. So guys, the APK link will be in the description. If you want to try this, you can just download it and update it or install it. You can try this. Okay, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care.